Hello, praisers and savers. My name is Sandy, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're heading to CVS, and these deals run from December the 15th until December the 21st, 2024. As always, these deals are all digital, so you're just using your phone to score. No need to clip any paper coupons. To make it even easier for you, I have included a printable breakdown in the description box. If you're watching from YouTube, just go to the description box and look for Printable Breakdown. But if you're watching from TikTok, look for the Printable Breakdown in the link in my bio. Let's get started on some easy deals at CVS just using your phone. Now, the first deal is on this Times toothpaste. Now, I've been on this big kick about the Times toothpaste lately because I don't like fluoride in my toothpaste. Now, you can do the kids, and I'm going to put the kids on the Printable Breakdown because it is the cheaper option at $6.29 each, but you could do the adults at $6.59. So let's do the breakdown for the kids. They are $6.29 each. There is a that will cost $12.58 total for the both of those. You're going to be able to get back $6 in ExtraCare Bucks after you are finished with your transaction. So that's almost 50% in ExtraCare Bucks you're getting back. Now, with the ExtraCare Bucks you're getting back, that's going to leave your total at $6.58. Then you're going to head on over to Ibotta. Ibotta has a rebate for the Times. The Times can either be the adults or the kids, whichever one you prefer. And it's a limit of 3, but remember we're buying 2 of those. And you're going to get back $2 each or $4 total. Now, getting back $4 total and the $6 ExtraCare Bucks is going to leave you to pay $2.58 for everything, which is a really good deal. Now, $2.58 divided by 2 is going to leave you to pay $1.29 for each of the Tom's toothpaste. Now, of course, for the adults, it's going to be a little bit more, but $1.29 is a good deal on the Tom's toothpaste. Next up is an oldie but a goodie. You can't go wrong with some free or some moneymaker toothpaste. So this is the Colgate Total. It is usually $5.29, but it's on sale for $3.99 this week. Now that will make your total $7.98. On the CVS app, there is a $2 coupon when you buy one. That $2 coupon is going to bring the total down to $5.98. And then you're going to get back $7 in ExtraCare Bucks for buying 2. So with the coupon and ExtraCare Bucks, it's going to leave you paying absolutely nothing and making this a moneymaker of $1.02. Great deal. I wanted to get this deal. My store was all out of the degree that you have to have for this deal. Okay, it has to be the degree that is the one that's $6.49 and above. Do not get the one that's $5.29. That is not going to work. My store was out of them. So the degree that's $6.49, you can either get the women's or the men. They're $6.49, but they're buy one get one 50% off. So it would be like getting one at $4.87. You're picking up 2. Your total with the buy one get one 50% off is going to be $9.74. There is a $2 coupon that's going to apply for 1. You're also going to get back $3 in ExtraCare Bucks because you bought 2. So with the buy one get one 50% off, the $2 coupon, the $3 ExtraCare Bucks, your total is $4.74 or $2.37 each. I'm really getting into using like a little bit of a darker eyeshadow on the corners of my eyes, and so these are perfect. So I'm going to get these Maybellines. They are $4.99 for the eyeshadow. Picking up 2 of those, your total is going to be $9.98. Now, there is a $3 coupon on any of the Maybelline products on your CVS app. And then you're also going to get back $6 for buying 2 of the Maybelline products. So it's going to make your total 98 cents or 49 cents for each of them, which is a really great deal. If you haven't already done so, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and click that notification bell to all. Now, this is part of a couple different deals I'm going to show you, but this one is the Olay serum. I actually wanted this because I wanted the night serum, These are $40.49, and we're going to get this for much cheaper than that. There is a sale right now for $29.99. And buying that is part of the spend 30 get a $10 gift card, a $10 extra care buck on some of the CVS beauty event that's going on right now. So this is a really good deal on this. So we're gonna get back $10 and extra care because we spent 30, but we didn't spend 30. It was 29.99, but it's under that, percentile that we can still get it. So it's fine. It's gonna work. And then we also have a $5 coupon on the CVS app on the Olay moisturizer treatment. So with that $5 coupon, the sale, and the $10 extra care bucks, it's going to leave you to pay $14.99 for this Olay serum, which is a really good deal. Now I'm going to show you another deal you can do instead. If you didn't want to do the Olay serum, you could get some of the beauty sets. This week they are 40% off, and you could do the, spend 30, get a $10 gift card. So you can do the Olay, but you don't have to, or you can do the gift sets. You cannot do both. So like I said, you can mix and match various gift sets, and they're 40% off of the price. Add those up to $30 and you'll get $10 back. So this is a really great opportunity to get various gift sets. You're probably going to have to get multiple, and I'm saying not just like 3 or 4, but like 5 or 6, 7 gift sets for this to even work. My store hardly carries any gift set, so I wasn't able to do this. But my favorite gift set that they did have in the store was the little house that had all the different blenders in it. But all the gift sets, whether they're $5.99 or $9.99, are 40% off, and then as you get to $30, you'll get that additional $10 extra care bucks back. Just FYI, across the board, a lot of shampoo and conditioners are 50 and 75% off. And so I wanted to point this out because I went last week and I got a lot of great shampoo and conditioners for a very cheap price. But this one is, $11.79. It was 75% off, and it was just $2.94. So make sure you walk around your store and see what shampoos and conditioners are on sale. This is a dry shampoo, but lots of great deals on them. Like I said last week, I got Head and Shoulders for a good deal. And also, don't forget to check your CVS app because there may be coupons that are attaching to some of these products. So, good deals, just walk up and down the aisle and see what you can find. This is a great example of the things that are on clearance and they also attach to coupons. So I didn't get this, but this is the Tresemme shiny spray. It's not something I use, but it's $8.79. It's 50% off. It's $4.39. You'll pick up 2 of those. So your total, is right below $9 for these. And then there is a $5 coupon that attaches on 2 of the Tresemme products. So you could be getting, this for a good deal with this $5 coupon on these. So just walk around, check out, see what they have, scan some of the products, and see if they attach to any of the coupons. L'Oreal shampoo and conditioners, the Elvive, is by far one of my favorite shampoos. So anytime this is on sale, I always pick it up. Now, these are 2 for 10, so $5 each on these. It used to be a lot cheaper than that. We do have a $3 coupon on the CVS app that is attaching. And in addition to that, we are going to get back $3 in extra care bucks at the register. So with the $3 coupon and $3 extra care bucks and the sale, it's going to leave you to pay $4 or $2 for each. I actually picked up the volume filler. That's the one I like the most, but of course the Hyaluron Plump is a good one as well. Keep watching because towards the end of this video, I'm going to show you a way that you can do online pickup deals, and it's super simple and easy. You apply some coupons, and you'll be able to get some good freebies. So another example of some of the things that are on clearance, the Shea Moisture Conditioner. It is $13.99. It's 75% off, making it $3.49. I scanned the Ibotta app, and there is a $2 back on this. So that's going to leave you to pay just $1.49. So I made sure I snagged this up because this is one of my favorite conditioners on there. So just make sure you're scanning CVS, you're scanning Ibotta, you're scanning any of the apps apps just to see if you qualify for any additional savings. General Mills cereals are always such a good deal at CVS. Any cereal actually. I don't like buying cereal from the grocery store because you can just get such a better deal at CVS. So you're going to pick up two of the General Mills cereals. It's going to be $3.98. There is a $1 coupon on the CVS app. That's going to make the cereal $2.98 or about $1.49 for each box. Sometimes we have Ibotta rebates on the General Mills, but we don't right now. If we do, it makes it even lower out of pocket. So everything that you saw today in this video was about $84.25, and I paid less than $30 for it all. So good deals overall, but stay tuned. I have one more part of this video that I want to show you that you can get even better deals with a CVS pickup order. I have two deals for you today at CVS that are pickup only deals. So what you're going to do is pick up two of these CeraVe. These are the travel size, 3 ounces. These are the Foaming Facial Cleansers. Each one is $5.79 or $11.58 together. You're going to clip both of these coupons and both are working. So there's an $8 coupon and a $4 coupon. Both are attaching, so that's $12 in coupons. It's going to make this totally free at checkout. The next thing you're going to do is pick up this Aveeno Stress Relief Body Wash. These are $9.99. They're buy one, get one 50% off. You're going to pick up two of those, put two in your cart for that pickup order. Your total for both of these is going to be $14.99. You're going to clip both of these coupons. Both are attaching for this pickup order. That's a $7 coupon and a $3 coupon. That's $10 in coupons. That's going to leave you to pay $4.99 for both of these Aveeno body washes, or about $2.50 for both of them. Thank you so much for watching towards the end of this video. It means a lot for me when you guys watch all the way to the end. Don't forget to make sure that you like the video, comment your favorite deal of the day, and also subscribe. I always appreciate when you guys do that. Now, I'll see you guys in the next one when I head to Publix, which is going to be on Wednesday, to show you some awesome grocery deals at Publix. Have a blessed one and a Merry Christmas. See you soon. Thanks, guys.